Hey, it's awesome to see you here in my next video, and in this video you will learn how to change the application name, the application launcher icon, and how to add a splash screen. And this is really very easy, so let me show you. First thing you need to see is what is your current application name. My application name is hello_flutter, so I want to change this application name. In our project directory, go in the Android folder. In the app folder, inside the source we have a main folder. In the main folder we have Android manifest.xml file. Here you can see Android label. This is the application name which is coming from this file. Okay, you need to change this name, and I am going to change this name, remove the underscore, and hello flutter is a good name. Okay, so save this file and press this stop icon. This will stop the current application, and you need to build the application again by pressing F5. When you build the application, here are few options. Select Dart and Flutter, and just wait for a while the application is building. The application is built and application is ready, so let's check our application name. And here you see we have the updated name, hello space flutter, which looks nice now.